From one controversy involving Pakistan to another, no cricketers being bought at IPL 3 auction. Speaking on India questions to Prannoy Roy, Shah Rukh Khan says he believes they should have been chosen, but he went on to say that since there were issues between India and Pakistan, the IPL should have handled the issue better.
See, I'll tell you, can I just say, I don't know, am I wrong? Today there's a big controversy about some Pakistani gentleman's picture in a government ad. Air Chief Marshal or someone.
Right.
So how is it, I find it so strange that 7 days ago, all of us, what I'm getting at, I'll explain to you, all of us react so vehemently that none of the Pakistani players were chosen. And today we react vehemently that we had a Pakistani picture in one of the government ads. Yeah. You know, so do we love them? I think we immensely love them. And why do we suddenly jump up and say this is not good? I think we are being misled by a lot of things that people say about us and them. And I truly believe they should have been chosen. As a matter of fact, I'm not going to be the one who's opposite from what everyone else is saying, but I wanted Abdul Razak. I think it was in the newspapers much earlier than even the auction started. Dada was very keen.
I think a lot of people believe what you're saying right now.
Yeah, I mean,
agree with you. A lot of people agree with you.
And he broke his wrist. The second part, which I think has been being explained is, for example, I don't know if will I get into trouble for saying this? There is going to be a section of people who have suddenly gotten up and said, rightly or wrongly, can be a different discussion, but Australians will not be allowed to play. So here is a set of people who are spending about 70, 80, 90 crore rupees on trying to win a tournament, and suddenly, even if you say this much to me, I'm like, so should I take him? Shouldn't I take him?
Right.
So tomorrow, if we had known this, maybe the Australians wouldn't also get picked up. You know, so these issues always come prime on your head. And stakes are very high. And I'm not giving an excuse. I truly believe Pakistani players are the best T20 players in the world. They're the champions. They're wonderful. But somewhere down the line, there is an issue and we can't deny it. There is an issue. We cannot just keep on saying, oh, this was wrong. Yes, the way it was done may be wrong. The way it is being carried out is wrong. But you cannot keep saying it, ki, koi issue nahi hai yaar, wo aa jate. There are issues. Let's not deny it. Every day we blame Pakistan. Every day Pakistan blames us. It is an issue. And I have also had the opposite of this. When my team had 5 Pakistani players in the first year, I still have Wasim Bhai coaching my team. I had 5 players and there were people, ki aapke paas bahut Pakistani players hai. Come on, man. Sports should be left alone. I think before we react to any of these incidents, I think we just hold back and say, yeah, there is an issue. Both sides have a point. So let's keep it easy. But let me be honest. My family is from Pakistan. My father was born there and his family is from there. I think all these issues, you are young guys. Please trust me. Can we just circumvent all that is said about India, Pakistan, by the politicians, by anybody else, and say, it's a great neighbor to have. We are great neighbors. They are good neighbors. Let's just love each other. Yeah. I think, you know, all this issue really needs to be out.
I'm so glad you said what you did in such an articulate and passionate way, but there is this general 2 things. One, why were they not selected? And 2, even if there are these issues, why were their names put up and announced and then not a single person? It was humiliating. And you say, you shouldn't do that in sports.
No, it's actually, I think, humiliating to me as a KKR owner that this has happened.
And to all of Indians.
To all of us. I think it's wrong. We are known for being good. We are known to invite everyone. We should have. And if there were any issues, they should have been put on board earlier so that everything can happen respectfully.
Tuba.com